want an ice machine that gets the job done right time after time. The new Scotsman Essential Nugget and Flake ice machines are at your service. We manufactured these machines with enhanced reliability because in today's fast-paced operations, downtime isn't really an option. The Scotsman Flake and Nugget Undercounter units feature a stainless steel refrigeration system. This includes a stainless steel auger as well as a stainless steel evaporator. Also, the Flake and Nugget machines feature greaseless sealed bearings. This bearing is lubricated by a high-tech polymer and contributes to maximum reliability. These sealed bearings contribute to a very long lifetime for the machine. All these durable components allow for a 3-year parts and labor warranty. With our high-efficiency refrigeration system, the Essential Series exceeds 2018 DOE requirements. And all of these machines are manufactured and tested at our award-winning facility in South Carolina to ensure reliability and to make sure you get a machine that works exactly like it should. Scotsman features a unique utility chase that saves space for your installation. And we have an easy access slide-up door, so you can easily get to the Nugget or Flake ice. Scotsman features an industry-exclusive, removable and reusable air filter, making it easy to clean the machine, which really promotes the efficiency of the unit. This Undercounter series features an electronic control board with easy-to-understand indicator lights that lets you know how the machine is operating. The Scotsman Undercounter Nugget and Flake series features an industry-exclusive QR code. This QR code allows you to access the model number, serial number, parts manuals, service manuals, as well as warranty history of the machine. All this information is easily available right at your fingertips with any smartphone device. This advanced technology helps you get the most out of your ice machine and makes it easy to use so you can get back to business. Learn more about the entire Essential line at scotsman-ice.com.